Hello dear students, now we'll study the gaseous state, and first of all we will do the introduction to the gaseous state. As we know that matter exists in three different states, these are solids, liquids and gases. Have you ever thought as why different substances exist in different states under normal conditions of temperature and pressure? For example, when we see the periodic table, bromine exists as liquid, iron exists as solid and oxygen exists as a gas. Then the simple answer to this question is a competition between ordering effect of the molecular interaction energy and disordering effect of the thermal energy. Molecular interaction energy keeps the molecules together while the thermal energy moves them apart. This competition determines whether a given substance under given conditions is a gas, a liquid or a solid. So this picture shows us that these are the solids, this is the liquid and these are the gases, because there is a competition between the two effects. These effects are ordering effect of the molecular interaction energy and disordering effect of the thermal energy. In this direction, molecular interaction energy is decreasing and thermal energy is increasing. Because thermal energy is increasing, that's why it has more kinetic energy. Molecules, they move apart from each other, and this will lead to the gaseous state. When the molecular interaction energy is more, the molecules are closer to each other, and this will lead to the solid state, and in between state is the liquid state. So this is nothing else but is a competition between these two effects which determine whether the given matter is a solid, liquid or a gas. So we can say that the existence of different states of matter is nothing but a balance between its intermolecular interactions and the thermal interactions between the particles. The occurrence of intermolecular forces is the least in gases and most in the solids, whereas the occurrence of thermal energy is the least in solids and the most in gases. So this is clear to us now. And in the periodic table we have only 11 elements which exist as gas under normal conditions of temperature and pressure, and these are nothing else but as hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon.